Hey guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. My name is Omoyera Oluwatosin, and on this channel I'll be showing you how to drape on a ready-made cup. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. This is the picture I saw on Pinterest. I love it and I decided to recreate it. It's just like our style inspiration. I've already filmed the video. Unfortunately for me, when I checked my phone, it was nowhere to be found. Like this video, the whole process wasn't recording. It was so heartbreaking. I decided to do it again, like film the video again. At the end of this tutorial, you should be able to drape this beautiful design on a ready-made cup. The materials and tools you'll be needing is your pins, a ready-made bra cup. You can work with any black cup of your choice. I have this trim because I don't have a golden applique. I think this will work fine for us. You need a scissors, and the last on our list is your fabric. You can work with any fabric of your choice. I choose to work with this fabric because it was left over from one of our YouTube tutorial. Now, what's the first thing you want to do? You want to place the fabric on the cup like this, and I will advise you to place the fabric on bias. Like when you want to place it on the cup, make sure the fabric is on bias to give you this stretch that will make your plate relax perfectly well on the cup. So after you've place the fabric on the cup, you are going to pin it to the cup so that the fabric will not be moving around. The next thing you want to do after pinning the fabric on the cup is to start plating it. So now we are going to create our first plate. Now this is our cup, so we're going to create the first plate. I'm going to pick some amount of fabric and place it over the cup like so, and then I'm going to take my pins and pin the plates down. Now that we have gotten the first plate, and you can see the way I pin the pin placements on the cup, make sure you follow it the same way, because when you want to cut the excess fabric around the cup, you don't want your pin to be disturbing, so you have to place it the way you see me placing it in the video. The next plate is going to overlap the first plate. You repeat this process over and over again until you get towards the bottom of the cup. After you are done plating the bottom edge of the cup, you're going to plait it like pin the excess. You stretch it a little bit so that you don't have any pocket around that part, so the front part of the cup will look like this. So you're going to trim in such a way that you're going to leave half an inch seam allowance around the cup. After you've done cutting it out, you trim the upper part like so and add half an inch. You can see the two cups that the first one and second one I just created. You can see how similar they look. Now you're going to take this to the sewing machine and you're going to stitch the cup and the plates together. Make sure that when you sew, you are making use of a loose stitch. Remember, you are still going to stitch this on your fabric. You just want to hold the plates in place. After you are done, you're going to trim off the excess threading that we have here, and I'm going to take this back to my table and unpin the cup. After you are unpinned, this is what you should have. I did not top stitch on the upper part of the cup because I'm going to stitch that I'm going to be using that half an inch on top of the cup to finish the upper part of the cup. So I'm just trimming off excess fabric because it's making my cup look wet at this point. Now this is what your cup should look like. The next thing you want to do, you want to add an applique to the cup. Now I don't have an applique. What we'll be making use of is trimming, a golden trim. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use a trim to embellish this cup design. After we are done embellishing the cup, this is what you should have at the end of the day. You can use a silver trim, white trim, anything that look good on gold. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up, like and share my video. And if this is your first time of stopping by, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and also on the notification bell, so that once I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to get the notification. I love you all. Bye and have a nice day.